Hi, and welcome to the second part of the junior project. To begin, we're going to start on the budget beginnings. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, let me get my pencil tool. All right, and so job one for me was a building inspector. So I write building inspector in the line. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and say yes, that I am married, but I have no children. All right, so my Michigan median wage. Okay, so what you want to go back to is remember the sheet, how to calculate taxes. So you have the Michigan median income for both of your jobs. So my job one, my Michigan median income is $49,800. So I'm going to write 49,800. Okay, and my total taxes owed from my worksheet, so I'm going to go to that second page of my worksheet. And the total taxes owed is this right here. So 12,026. 12,026. All right, it tells me to subtract line B from line A. Well, you've already done that. So my ATI is this 37,774. Okay, so 37, oops, I want to make sure I have it right. 774. 74. Okay, so now it's asking the cost of children. Now, I don't have any children, so I can just put 0. But if I had children, then I would want to go to the cost of raising children. Guess what? Children are expensive. And so you really need to think about, and we'll address that when I do my second job, because for my second job, I have children. All right. So because I don't have any children, I don't have to subtract the cost of children, so I'm just going to bring down this number here and put it here. So my after-tax income is $37,774. All right, so my job two. Okay, my Michigan median income is $70,000. Okay, and my job two was an explosives specialist. Sorry, my writing's bad with the computer mouse. Okay, I am married and I have a, let's see, 2-year-old child. Okay, so yeah, so I have one child, 2 years old. Okay, so my Michigan median wage was $70,000. Okay, so let's go back to my taxes page. My total taxes is $17,425. Okay, and I subtract those, and that gives me this answer. So we want 52,575. All right, so now, since I have one child, okay, and I'm married, I'm going to find, okay, so my income, before tax income, is $70,000. So I need to find, so this is before 39,000 to 65. So I'm going to fall in this bracket, okay? And so from 0, I have a 2-year-old, so my 2-year-old, the cost of my 2-year-old is right here. Okay, so 13,430. But I am married. Okay, so now I need to get my calculator. Okay, so I'm going to put in 13,430, and I'm going to divide it by 2 because my husband and I both pay for it. So what I pay for the child is 6,715. So I'm going to go back up to here, put the cost of children as 6,715. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract line D from C. Get my calculator back up. So we've got 52,575 subtract 6,715 equals. All right, so 45,860. Okay, so this number here and this number here are going to be what you're going to deal with for the rest of this project. So it's going to ask for line E. This is line E. Okay, so you should, once you've done this sheet, you are ready to start getting into your houses. So that's it for the beginning budget.